Hello, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we will create one program and we'll see how to verify the palindrome string. So mainly our program will check whether whether the input string is palindrome or not. Okay, so first of all we will see like what exactly the palindrome string is. Okay, so if uh, if we read a string from left to right, and it is same as if we read the string from right to left side, like uh, if we are reading the string from left to right and right to left, and the output of the both side is equal, then in that case it is a palindrome string. For example, here if you read the uh, word level from left to right, so it will be as level, and if similarly if I read it from right hand side, then it is also level. So in this case it is palindrome string. Okay, and if we are not able to read the string same from left to right and right to left, in that case it is not a palindrome string. Like here abc, and from right hand side it is a cba, so it is not a palindrome string. Okay, so now we will see this, like how we can create a logic to verify this scenario. So I'm opening this program into edit mode. So here on line number 10, I have specified some debug options that is mainly for the debugging purpose. And below to that, here I have stored some variables. I have declared some variable, that is first variable is string, which will hold the string. So, and the second variable is for storing the one character. Like what we will do here we will firstly pick one character from right hand side, and then we'll reverse the string, and then the string will be stored in strrev. Okay, and then we will check whether these both strings are equal or not. And the fourth variable is for length, that is we will use to store the length of the string. Now see the main logic. So on line number 19, what we are doing, we are just calculating the length with the help of length built-in function. And also I'm using percentage trim to just to remove the blank spaces from the string. So here we will get the length of the string, that is, let's say we will change this to level, level, the first input we have here in the right hand side. So it is a palindrome string, right? So now below to that, what we are doing here, we are running one loop, that is do while loop. And the condition for this do while loop is that if the length is not equal to 0, then it will be executed. Otherwise, once the length is equal to the 0, then it will terminate it. Okay, so first of all our length is 5, so it will came in this loop. And then in strchar, what we are doing, we are just picking the last character from the string with the help of substitute built-in function. So here the source string is string that contains level, and we are starting it from length position, it means fifth position. So it will pick this character because we have specified only one character from this position. So it will pick le, only l. Okay, and then we are adding this l to the strrev. So basically strrev is blank, and one by one we will fetch these characters, and then we'll store this into strrev. So what happened, like just we when we specify, when we add the last character to this variable, then we are changing the length value by decrementing it with 1. So now the value of length is become 4. So it will again come to this loop, and again it will fetch the one character from fourth position. So it will pick le, so it will pick only the letter e. And similarly it will add the this letter again to the strrev, and now strrev is containing l, so e is also concatenated to this string. And then again the length is decremented with the value of 1. And similarly it will pick one by one each character from the right hand side and store into rev, strrev. Okay, so this is the same concept we have discussed in the previous session, like how we are the previous session is mainly for how we can reverse the string. So till line number 27 we are using the same logic, and just from line number 29 we are adding one more check just to verify whether the string is palindrome or not. So on line number 29, we are just checking whether strref is equal to string or not. If it is equal to string, then we are printing just string is palindrome. And if it is not equal to string, then we are simply displaying string is not palindrome. And then we are putting and if, and just after that we have on line number 35, we have specified star inlr equals to star on. It means the program is ended. Okay, now we will compile this program and we'll check whether we are getting the desired output or not. So here the input string is level. Now I will compile this program and I will show you the output. So program is compiled. Now I will call this program. So our output is a string is palindrome. That is correct because we have specified level, and it is palindrome string because if I read it from left to right side, then it is level, and similarly if I read it from right to left side, then it is level. So both scenarios are same. That's why it is palindrome string. Now we will check the another input, like we will pass here ABC, and now compile and call this. So the output is string is not palindrome because it is correct. If I read it from left to right, then it is ABC. But if I read it from right to left, then it is CBA. So that is why it is not considered as palindrome string. So yeah, that's and if you want to check one more scenario, so just replace it with ABA. Now it becomes palindrome. So the output should be string is palindrome, and that is what we are getting here. So that's how we can verify the string whether it is palindrome or not with the help of rpgle program. So that's all for this session. In the upcoming session, we will discuss few more basic programs. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.